What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Savers. Last time I was here, I did a comparison between this Savers and a Goodwill, and I think the Savers actually won, but normally it's not that great. Prices are usually a little high, they don't have a lot of stuff, but today, you know, it's been a couple months, maybe they have some great stuff in here. We're gonna see what's inside, buy and sell, and put on Amazon, eBay, all that good stuff. See what they got. All right, they got a bunch of carts. I think they just opened like 20 minutes ago. So it's early. We'll have first dibs on things. Throw that in here and let's go. All right, they got a whole bunch of baggies here and I see a bunch of random baseball cards. $2.79 a bag. I thought they were all 90s cards because the majority are, but I'm also seeing Joey Gallo, which I believe that's 2019. On the back here, 2019 for that card. That looks like the Christmas winter edition with the snowflakes on it. I saw this, which is pretty neat. This is a Metal Universe card of Pedro Munoz, 1996. But there's some cool die cuts back there. I don't know. Should I grab a couple, open them up, see if we find anything cool? I don't think I'll grab them all because odds are there's nothing great in these. If I grab a couple of them, maybe we'll find something neat. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I just realized they're split around all over here. What would you guys do? Would you guys grab them all? I highly doubt you'd find anything good, but you never know. All right, I left all the cards and I'm walking down the aisle and I noticed this little pan right here, this Wilton cake pan. I actually haven't bought and sold these in a little while. I've sold off most of the ones I had originally bought. They do take a while to sell, but some of them are worth pretty decent money. You can look them up pretty easily by the little code that they have on them. So this says 1992 Wilton, and then that code at the bottom, 2105-2021. So we'll type that in and see if this has any value. I'm gonna look it up on Amazon. So I typed it in on Amazon and nothing popped up, which means it's not on Amazon. Now, I don't really mess with selling these on eBay because if you guys take a look at the Wilton cake pan prices on eBay, they always sell for much less than on Amazon. So I try to only sell them on Amazon if possible. So we're gonna leave that one behind. All right, guys, the board game section is looking jam-packed. I did a quick look through first and I saw some things that stood out to me. First things first, I love crossover games. We have an Operation/Star Wars. I have a feeling this might have some value. I haven't looked it up yet, but we will in a second. What else do we have over here that I've never seen this before, but well, I haven't seen it thrifting before, but I feel like I had this game when I was a kid. Silly Six Pins.
Welcome to Silly Six Pins Bowling, the game that actually talks.
Hey, let's get the ball rolling.
Who said that? Take your best shot. These silly pins are unbelievable.
Nice shot, but I'm still here.
I don't know, it just looks so familiar. Yeah, the bowling with the ramp. And you roll it up and hit them down. Do they talk? I don't know. Oh yeah, 3 AA batteries, so they must talk. Yes, I do remember this. I think I had this as a kid. $6.99. That's a throwback. That's really cool. Yam Slam. Pretty sure I've sold this before, so I think that's decent. I know one version of the logo game is worth good money. I don't believe it's this one, so we'll just slide that one back in there. What else do we have over here that look good to me? Oh, right here. These two. These two are great. I always keep an eye out for Stratego games. Some of them sell for great money, some not so much. This is one that sells for great money, the Stratego. It's $5.99. If it's complete, we're looking at about $40, $45, I'm pretty sure. I know I popped the price up for you guys to take a look, so we'll definitely throw this in the cart because I already know that one's good. This thing next to it, if it's complete, I know is good. This is Kerplunk, but it's again a crossover with Jurassic World. I'll pop the price up here. I think this is like a $30 game, so not bad. They're asking $5. It feels light, but you never know. The pieces are pretty light in here, so we'll also stick that in the cart. And then what else did I see? We have a couple games of Taboo, but we have a brand new sealed one right here. Now, Taboo doesn't sell for too much, but at $6, I think it's gonna be a pickup. I think it sells for around 30, maybe even 25, but it's brand new sealed, so there's no pieces to count. So we'll stick it in the cart and I'll look it up in a minute. And then anything else that we're seeing? Oh yeah, I found this at a thrift store recently, Don't Wake Daddy. I'm surprised this game doesn't hold as much value as I thought it did. It used to, but the prices come down quite a bit, so we'll leave that behind. Anything else over here that looks good? It's possible I'm looking over something. Here's another one of those logo games. This is the heavier version. This might be the one that's worth a little bit. I'll pop the price up to see if I'm right or not. I'll stick it on the shelf and look it up in a minute. Alright, right before looking everything up, Ashley pointed out to me down on the bottom, which I didn't even look at the bottom, and there's a DVD, Dance Dance Revolution, which is pretty cool. I've sold that a bunch of times. But right here, we have a brand new sealed Battle of the Sexes game for $5.99. I think this is the good one. Yeah, you want to find the ones with these golden trophies. It's pretty sought after, so we'll definitely grab this. So I know Ashley showed you guys this Let's Get Deep game right here. It is priced at $7, which is a little high. I looked it up, and at first glance, it looks great. It looks like you'll make $17.58. So after my 7, I'll make $10, right? Wrong. The Amazon listing is selling it for $19.82. So you got to knock about $7 off that 17. So you're really only making about $10 profit. Spending 7, I'll make about 3 before shipping. It's just not going to be worth it. We'll have to put this back on the shelf. So Ashley's over here counting pieces in these games for me while I looked up a whole bunch of other ones. And you guys can see all the good ones we have so far. Pretty awesome. Most of these, the pieces have been counted. Other ones that I thought were good, we had to put back because it was either missing pieces or too damaged. This silly 6-pins, I'm gonna get. It sells for great money. Box is in terrible condition, but hopefully we can make it look a little bit nicer. It's just, even if I cut the price in half, it's still worth it. So we'll see what happens there. But all of these are great. We're getting this Chameleon game, which is super, super fun if you've never played it. I think we're keeping it for ourselves. It's $6. If I wanted to sell it, I'd profit about $5 to $6. But it is brand new on the inside. Just the seal is missing. Everything else is sealed inside. So we'll definitely grab that. And then this surprised me. I thought this was only going to be, I don't know, like something from the 80s, something with no value, no barcode. Then I saw the little Kickstarter icon there. It's a newer game. Scanned it in, brand new. Take a look. This thing's selling for about $50. Used, it's selling for $35, which is still great. And at this one's $6. There's another one on the shelf for $5, but the packaging's in kind of rough shape. Let's go take a look at that. Where is it? Here it is right here. Yeah, $5, but you could see the bottom of the packaging is just really dirty. So I don't know, maybe I'll just get it also because they do sell for so good, but you could see there's like water damage to the top of the box there. It's just so gross. It's probably why this one's $1 cheaper. Yeah, I'll probably leave it because I don't like selling things that look gross like this online. Even for a discount, I feel like it's just asking for a return. I don't know. What would you guys do? Should I throw it in the cart? I'm second guessing myself, and usually when I do that, it means I should get something. I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to throw it in the cart. You guys saw it live right there. You saw me having a conniption. I think that's what they call it, right? Alright guys, this is something I always keep an eye out for. Rock tumblers. I've sold rock tumblers for crazy money before, and this, I mean, I was going to say this is no exception, but it doesn't sell for an insane amount. It sells for about $40 to $50. Still really cool when they're only asking, where's the price on this thing? $8.49, so just under $9. Open it up. I thought this thing was going to be completely shot. Ashley's like, no, I bet you it's going to be really good. Open it up. It is brand new, unopened, unused. This is amazing. So that is in super easy sale on Amazon. We're going to try and get this back together. I don't want to knock it off the edge of this cart, but we'll definitely grab this. Keep an eye out for rock tumblers. They got really, really popular during lockdown a few years ago, and they were selling for crazy amounts. They still sell well. They still sell fast. So this is definitely something I'm taking with me. I also found this on the shelf, a little Rush Hour Deluxe Edition. I sell these all the time, and again, really easy to count the pieces in here. Let's see if I could get it open for you guys. All right, there we go. Look at that, it's all in there. It does come with a deck of cards that are right underneath the game board, all in there, all complete. Takes a couple seconds to count the pieces, and for something that costs $4.99, I'll pop the price up. You guys can see how well this sells and how fast it sells. Great money, definitely taking it. Doing another look through of the toys right here, I was getting ready to leave this section and then I noticed this sticking out. Do you guys remember this game, Shark Attack by Milton Bradley? Take a look at that artwork on there.
Shark, shark, shark attack. This shark is like a maniac.
It's Shark Attack. Just roll the dice, and when your color comes up, move your fish fast.
The fish that survives will be the winner. So don't be last or you'll be the dinner.
This is such a cool game, and I scanned it into Amazon. It is not on Amazon, so I had to look it up on eBay. I'll pop the price up here. It sells pretty regularly for between $35 and $45 complete working condition. That is not bad at all if it's $5 or less. I see some games are $6, some are $4. What is Shark Attack gonna be? $4.99. That is awesome. We'll definitely grab it. Have to make sure it's complete in here, test it out a little bit later. Alright, so right about to leave the toy section, for real this time, and notice these doodles right here. Some kid doodled the Statue of Liberty, Washington Monument, Space Shuttle, Mount Rushmore, and Pikachu. But what intricate doodles to do on a display rack? That's weird.